Hey, good morning, guys. So, you can probably see behind me, got a little bit of snow today. So, I'm gonna spend the day. It's supposed to snow all day. Supposed to get anywhere from 4 to 6 to 8 inches of snow. I'm hearing we had a pretty heavy band just come through south of us. Dumped some pretty decent amount of snow. We probably got 2-3 inches here already. But we're supposed to get some heavy snow coming up soon, so I'm gonna make a couple passes around here, get some of the snow up before we get any heavy stuff coming through. So I'm gonna put you guys on the time lapse so you can just watch and see what happens. Hey guys, I had to quick switch into the backhoe. Switched into the backhoe here. I got that pile that I built up in front of the trucks over there. I'm gonna quick move it with this. And then we're just gonna give it a break and let it build up again. It's gonna kind of be a long drawn out storm, so quick move that pile and then we'll be done for a little bit. Well, that didn't take long. About an hour later, and I gotta go back to pushing the parking lot again. Well, we're back at it again the next morning. We got some icy, sleety crap, so we'll see how well we can do pushing this with this thing. Let's get to it. Well guys, it got a little too slick and a little too heavy for the skid steer, so I had to switch into the old case. So this ought to be a fun rest of the storm. I'm back in the skid steer now. We pretty much got everything cleaned up, so I'm just gonna go around and do all the little cleanup areas where all the trucks are moving and everything. So put the bucket back on and let's see what we can clean up. Breakfast time. All right, breakfast is over. Let's finish this up.